Hi guys, here is how you can display text or images using shortcodes. We will be only using these shortcodes, which will automatically add images and text. Something like this. This can be useful, especially if you have to add the same text or images on various pages or posts. Let's get started. Now to add the shortcode, first log into your WordPress dashboard. We are already in. Now we will add some custom codes. For that, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Click on Theme Functions. Scroll down. And we will add some codes here. Here is the code we will be using. This will add custom text. Here is the text we have written. You can change it as you want. Also, we are using this custom class, so you can customize it with CSS. And this is for the image. You will have to write the image URL here. And here is the class so you can modify it. Anyway, let me copy this. And paste it here. Let me also add an image here. Go to the media. Let's add this one. Copy the URL. And simply replace it here. I will leave the class the same. Update file. Now to use this, we can use these simple shortcodes. Let's quickly create a new page. Give any title you want. Here, you can either use HTML, code or shortcode. Let's use custom HTML. Now let's add the shortcode. And publish it. View page. So here is the text. You can modify the text as you want for your website. Likewise, for the image, copy this. And paste it here. And update. If I refresh this. So here is the image and text. You can also add the CSS to customize it. Go to Customize. Additional CSS. Now the text has this class name. Copy this. Paste it here. For class, add a dot in front. And write your CSS. Likewise, you can also customize the image. Use the class. And write your custom CSS code. So this is how you can use shortcode to display text or images. Thank you very much.